Welcome to AI for Data Analysts. If you work with data, you already know that numbers aren't just figures on a screen. They represent the heartbeat of business. Your talent in uncovering insights from chaos, presenting meaningful patterns, and guiding decisions is a unique strength. Now, imagine amplifying that strength with the remarkable power of artificial intelligence. This course blends your analytical expertise with innovative AI tools, empowering you to push your skills beyond routine analysis into the realm of prediction, automation, and discovery. Every digital action adds to the ever-growing pool of data, and traditional methods sometimes struggle to keep up. With AI, you're equipped to forecast trends, automate monotonous tasks, and reveal hidden patterns faster and more accurately. Embracing AI not only transforms your daily workflow, but also safeguards your professional future. By integrating these tools into your routine, you finish tasks in minutes that used to take hours, letting you invest more time in strategic thinking and creative problem solving. Our training isn't just about theory, it's deeply practical and designed for immediate application. You'll engage in comprehensive video courses, hands-on sessions with platforms like ChatGPT, TensorFlow, and others, and tap into thousands of AI prompts that bring real-world scenarios to life. What's more, most courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Even if you're new to AI concepts, you're guided step by step in developing skills that will keep you ahead of the game. Discover all our AI for Data Analysts training courses at completeaitraining.com and take your data analysis to unprecedented heights.